everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing a dry swipe tonight. So this first part of the video is going to be my metallic sapphire blue going down. I'm going to let that dry, come back and do a swipe. Special request from one of my favorite viewers, Janet. Here comes the mixture of blues swipe you requested. I hope you enjoy. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, you know I love you. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the thumbs up. Keep them coming. It really does make my day. And let's get to it here. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas here with just my little push pins in the back, jumbo ones. And I'm going to just paint the base. So this will be a quick little paint the base, then I'll come back and do the swipe after it's dry, about 15-20 minutes. Sound good? All right. Thanks again, everyone, for sticking around. Everyone, welcome back. Okay, my canvas is now almost dry. It's only a tiny little area that might be a little bit wet, but not bad. So that is the deep sapphire metallic dried on that canvas, and we're going to do some blues, and I think I'm going to do a little bit of my metallic pearl as well to throw in there. We'll see. Let's do this dry swipe, and again, please hit subscribe if you haven't already. And this one's for you, Janet. I hope you like it. I will show you a painting, though, that I did in my last video, actually. It's now dry, and it just looks gorgeous. I don't know if you can see all that shimmer in there, but love how that dried. All right. Let's do this now. I'm going to do a light blue, kind of a sky blue. I made it myself, actually. It is this ultramarine blue with white mixed in to make a really nice sky blue. Does have the pearlescent mixing medium that I love to use. This stuff right here is by Sargent, and I do 50% acrylic and 50% the mixing medium, a little bit of water, and away we go. Love this stuff. Now this sky blue that I have here does have 3 drops of silicone in it. So I'm hoping to get lots of cells. The rest is just acrylic paint, the mixing medium, and water. Okay, what kind of design do I want to do? Let's first start with the ultramarine blue. I'm going to do it, I think I'm going to pour in just a bit of a curve. Yeah. There we go, first color down. Second color is going to be my ice blue metallic, which is this guy right here, ice blue. Just kind of a funky design. Coloring outside the lines, that's what we're doing. Okay. Then we've got my peacock metallic, which is this one right here. Hopefully that's coming out. Last time I showed the bottles, it was a little bit blurry. We'll see how it is this time. Sorry if it's blurry, you guys. And all of these colors you can find on Amazon. There's actually a link in my description for any of the tools and stuff you see me use. Paints, stir sticks, cups, all of the stuff, even my butane torch, my mixing medium. It's all from Amazon. So if you want to treat yourself to something, by all means, hit my link in the description and do some shopping. I'll get a tiny commission on a gift card from Amazon if you do decide to buy something, and it'll go towards replenishing some of my stock. Okay, and now I'm going to do the pearl down as well. Not all the way through, just lightly. Because the special request was for the blues. I'm just throwing in the pearl because I think it needed something else. Okay, so I'm going to take some of my dry paper towel, dip it in my light blue, and I'm going to swipe some color across. Let's see what happens. I think I'm going to go... Do I go up and down or do I go across? Let's go across. What the heck? I'm going to start here. I'm just going to pull it all the way through. And do one more round. Just going to lay that down for a sec. I'm curious to see how thick that's looking on the canvas, so give me one sec here. Actually, it's not too bad. Okay, let's do that again, only with a smaller one this time. I'm going to go with this size. I have a feeling my paints might be a little bit too thick. Oh, that was a good swipe. I'm going to come back this way with that color. I'm going to go lower as well. I like that it got heavier and pulled more of the paint. And there's no rules when you're doing this. You can swipe it as many times as you want. Okay. Let's do this size. I think I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just so I can add some weight to it. Okay, let's do that once more. I think I'm going to go right down the middle as well again. And let's go here too. Why not? Okay, put that aside. Let's give this a torch and see what it's doing for cells. Lots of bubbles for sure. Let's just give it a sec here to do its thing. I definitely want to add something to this. Love all the blues that are coming up, but it's not wowing me. What are we going to do? I think I'm going to take one of these colors. You know what? Let's do the background. Yeah, this one here. Call me crazy. I just got an idea to try it and see. So I'm just going to take the end of my paintbrush, just kind of like a pen. I'm going to dip it in my Deep Sapphire Metallic. I'm just curious if I want to see if I can get some celled flowers happening. I know I always do flowers, you guys, but I just want to see if we can get something that's a little more interesting happening on this painting. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. Just going to give it a torch just to see what it's going to do. This is completely a test. I've never done this. Do the colors come through or not? Let's see. Let me grab my airbrush. Okay, I think I like that. I think I need to just add a touch of my pearl into both of these guys. Let's see what that does. Let's just blow this a little bit. Really pretty. Okay, I'm just going to move this out of the way here. What else do we want to do here? Definitely need to get some more color flowing down here. Pulled too much of the paint off with my running my paintbrush over it. This one's pretty good. Add some more paint in there. Okay, let's do that again with, I think we'll do the dark. I'm going to do the sapphire as well. It just needs a little bit more paint. Let's do that color and this one. Add a little bit of the pearl. Let's blow that one out. Okay, and I'm going to take my stick here. I'll just pull it down this way. Oop. Lost some of my paint. There we go. Okay, let's do another one of those right here. Tiny bit of navy in this one, just to make it a little bit different. Of course, add the pearl. Now this one's going to also have a dark stem. Oops. That was a oops. That's okay, we can fix it. Well, this went from a blue swipe to a flower painting. Gotta practice my swipes more. I actually like that little bloom. That's actually really pretty. Let's do one over here too. Well, sorry Janet, I didn't totally get a swipe done like you wanted. It was an attempt. A for effort, right? But this is going to be gorgeous because it's got all the metallics in it. Okay, let's give these a torch and see what happens. Gorgeous background, gorgeous flowers. I'm just going to turn it. I'll tilt it so you can have a look. There we go. There's another flower painting. I'm definitely on the flower kicks right now, that's for sure. But again, this one's going to dry beautifully. Alright everybody. Thanks very much for joining me. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. And I promise, next video, I won't do flowers. Alright. Thanks again, everyone.